How about we talk about 3 prepositions that are confusing to new French learners and also native speakers: depuis, pour, and pendant. These 3 prepositions literally translate for, okay? They can be used to indicate the duration of events. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how and when we use depuis, pendant, and pour, so as not to get confused while making good French sentences. Literally, we can use them to make other sentences, but while talking about the duration of events, 3 of them are translated as for, and they can be used at different occasions. Talking about the duration of events, depuis means for. How do we use depuis? Depuis is used to talk about an event that started in the past but is still ongoing. It's not been completed yet. The event still continues. Okay, we only use depuis with present tense. You don't use it with other tenses. For example, je parle français depuis 10 ans. Je parle français depuis 10 ans. It simply means I've been speaking French for 10 years. It insinuates that I started speaking French 10 years ago and I still speak French. Okay, so the event continues. Yeah, but it started in the past. Je parle français depuis 10 ans. It started in the past but still continues. And the parle there is in the present tense. Please note this. You don't use past tense for depuis. You use only present tense. The second one, pendant, literally translates during, but while talking about or while indicating the duration of events, pendant means for. Okay, it indicates how long a completed action lasted. Okay, j'ai habité en France pendant 10 ans. It means I lived in France for 10 years. Okay, the event is already completed. They're just talking about how long it lasted. So that's where pendant comes in. Okay, and the next one, je suis sortie avec lui pendant 3 mois. Je suis sortie avec lui pendant 3 mois. Okay, I went out with him for 3 months. It simply means they went out for 3 months, but they are no longer together. Je sors avec lui depuis 3 mois. I've been going out with him for 3 months. They mean 2 different things. And the third one, pour, translates for. Okay, it can be used in variety of contexts. Okay, but when talking about or when indicating the duration of events, it is mostly used for the future. Okay, and it's mostly used with together with verbs like partir, aller. Example, je pars à Paris pour 3 semaines. Je pars à Paris pour 3 semaines. I'm leaving for Paris for 3 weeks. Or I'm going to Paris for 3 weeks. I hope you picked a thing or two from this video. The comment section is always open for questions, objections, suggestions. See you next time. Same channel. Stay tuned. Je vous aime.